students. So as we were reading chapter number 3, so we have read about nouns. Noun is a name of person, place, animal or thing, that is called noun. Okay. So whatever you see in your surroundings, everyone has name. These all are nouns. Okay. We have read about types of nouns in previous class. So there are 6 types of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, possessive noun, abstract noun, and the last one is concrete noun. Okay. So we have completed proper noun and common noun. Okay. Proper noun, specific name of person, place, animal or thing, that is called proper noun. Common noun, common name of a general name of person, place, animal or thing, that is all common noun. Common nouns are 2 types: countable and uncountable. Countable, it means which you can count. For example, you can count this ball, 1 ball, okay, now 2 ball, okay, and 1 more ball I will take. These are 3 balls, okay. So you can count. Countable noun which you can count, and uncountable noun which you cannot count. Just like as water, milk, petrol, oil, juice. You cannot count in number. 1 juice, 2 juice, 1 water, 2 water, and so on. Okay. So these are uncountable nouns. We have already read about its singular form and plural form. So what I have taught you, we make singular to plural of only common noun, which is countable or uncountable, whatever is there. Okay. Now, so today we will learn about collective nouns. Collective nouns. So wait once again. Now just I am showing you what you are looking here. Here are 1 book, 2 book, 3 book, 4 book, 5 book. Okay. So here I have 5 books. So what I will say? 1 book, 2 book, 3 book, 4 book, 5 book, 6 books. It will be awkward. So for our convenience and to identify, we made a group and we have named each and every group. Okay? हमने अपनी कन्वीनियंट के लिए, थिंग्स को इजी वे में आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए, कन्वर्सेशन और यू कैन से ऑल्सो कन्वर्सेशन करने के लिए, ईच एंड एवरी थिंग्स को, पीपल को, एनिमल्स को ग्रुप नेम दे दिया, ग्रुप का नेम दे दिया. You have seen most of the time when goats move on the road, so they always move in a group. आपने कभी बहुत बार देखा होगा कि जब आप रोड पर जाते हो तो जो गॉड्स होती हैं वो ग्रुप में मूव करती हैं, ग्रुप में ही मूव करती हैं. So that time you will not say 1 god, 2 god, 3 god, 4 god, whatever is there. Okay, it will be not easy for you, or it will be awkward also. Okay, just like as you will not say 1 book, 2 book, 3 book, 4 book, 5 book. We are not kids. छोटे बच्चे नहीं है जो हम काउंट करेंगे. Okay, so we made a group and we have named a group name. That is called collective noun. Okay, so collective nouns are the words which refer to a group of people, animals or things together as one. Collective noun name, a group name of people, animals or things. What is collective noun? Collective noun is a group name of people, animals or things. That is called collective noun. For example, I have seen you. What you will say? A set of books. Okay, there are 5 books. Okay, so what you will say? A set of books. So what is the group name of book? Set. S-E-T, set. A set of books. Just like as I am showing you. Okay, this is 1 key, 2 key, 3 key and 4 key. Okay, so we will not say 1 key, 2 key, 3 key, 4 key. So it has a group name. Bunch of keys. A bunch of keys. What you will say? A bunch of keys. ओके हिंदी में ही आपने एक सुना होगा, मम्मी कभी कहती हैं या अपने पेरेंट्स के, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के मुंह से सुना होगा, चाबियों का गुच्छा ले आना. ओके, चाबियों का गुच्छा ले आना. मम्मा कहती है कभी बेटा आपको, बेटा जाओ और उस रूम में से चाबियों का गुच्छा ले. चाबियों का गुच्छा. सो अ बंच ऑफ कीज. अ बंच ऑफ कीज. सो बंच is a group name of keys. Just like you will see another examples. A pride of lions. Lions के group को क्या कहते हैं? Pride. A pride of lions. Okay. So now lions group name is pride. A bunch of keys. Just I have shown you a bunch of keys. So group name of keys are bunch. Now a pack of cards. You all play cards. Okay, सारे बच्चे cards खेलते हैं. So that group name is a pack of cards. Pack of cards. Students, there are some trick to learn that things. Okay, कुछ trick होती है जिसको आप learn कर सकते हो, जिसको आप माइंड में रिमेंबर रख सकते हो. वो कभी भी आप उसको भूलोगे नहीं. You will never forget that thing if you learn with a trick. अगर आप एक ट्रिक से याद करते हो तो आपको याद हो जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने कहा a pack of cards. कार्ड्स किसके अंदर होते हैं? यस, कार्ड्स किसके अंदर होते हैं? पैकेट के अंदर. कार्ड्स किसके अंदर होते हैं? पैकेट के अंदर. पैकेट के अंदर वो पैक होते हैं. ओके, सो यू विल कीप दैट थिंग. कार्ड्स पैक इन द पैकेट. ओके, कार्ड्स पैक इन द पैकेट. कार्ड्स जो होते हैं पैकेट में पैक होते हैं. सो पैक ऑफ कार्ड्स. पैक इज द ग्रुप नेम ऑफ कार्ड्स. नाउ अ क्राउड ऑफ पीपल. व्हेन लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल gathered at a place. Okay, when lots of people gathered at a place, then that group name is called crowd. Okay, so a crowd of people group name is called crowd. Students, so now possessive nouns. What is possessive nouns? Possession. What is possession? It means who is the owner of that thing, that person, that animal, that place. कौन है उसका ऑनर? वो जो थिंग है, वो जो कार है, Who is the owner of that car? उस कार का ऑनर कौन है? किसकी है वो चीज? Who's that thing? That is called possession. Okay, if I will ask with you, whose book is this? So what is the answer? This is my book. Okay, this is my book. It means I am the owner of this book. मैं इस बुक की मालिक हूँ. ये बुक मेरा है. Okay, so possession, it means who is the owner of that thing, that person, that place, that animal. Possessive nouns. When we want to show that something belongs to someone, we use possessive nouns. Or you can say when we want to show possession, then we use possessive nouns. ओके, तो आपको समझ में आ गया होगा possession का मतलब क्या होता है कि कोई भी थिंग है, कोई भी एनिमल है, कोई भी पर्सन है, वो किसका है, किससे रिलेटेड है। ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर आर सिटिंग टू बॉयज। ओके, मैं यहाँ पे टू बॉयज बैठे हैं। वन इज रोहन एंड रोहन्स ब्रदर नेम इज अमन। ओके, रोहन्स ब्रदर नेम इज अमन। ओके, सो whose brother is that? वो किसका भाई है? He is Rohan's brother. Okay, Aman is Rohan's brother. So that is called possession. मैंने पूछा अमन किसका भाई है? Whose brother is Aman? Aman is Rohan's brother. That is called possession. So now the second thing, it is formed by adding an apostrophe and s. How can we show possession of that thing, that person, that animal? Okay, how can we say? How can we express? Okay, so it is formed by add an apostrophe and s to show the possession. ओके, पोजेशन शो करने के लिए हम यहाँ पर एपिस्ट्रॉफ और एस लगाते हैं। दिस इज कॉल्ड एपिस्ट्रॉफ एंड एस। ओके, सो इट इज ओनली विद पीपल, ग्रुप्स ऑफ पीपल, एनिमल्स और कंट्री। इट इज ओनली एड विद पीपल, ग्रुप्स ऑफ पीपल, एनिमल्स और कंट्री। एपिस्ट्रॉफ एस किसके साथ ऐड किए जाते हैं? ओनली पीपल के साथ या ग्रुप्स ऑफ पीपल के साथ, एनिमल्स के साथ और कंट्रीज के साथ। ओके, वंस अगेन, एपिस्ट्रॉफ एस जब हमें पोजीशन शो करना हो, एपिस्ट्रॉफ एस ओनली पीपल के साथ, ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल के साथ, एनिमल्स के साथ एंड कंट्रीज के साथ ऐड किए जाते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, John's dog. For example, John's dog. It means this word of group, or you can say this sentence is showing the possession of dog. Who is the owner of that dog? John. John's dog. किसका dog है वो? John का dog है। Okay. India's people. Okay, India's people. Whose country people? India's people. कहाँ के लोग? India के लोग। Okay, so that is the way when we show possession by adding apostrophe s. Now, if the noun already ending by s, okay, we show possession by adding apostrophe or s, but there is a condition. If the noun word is already ending with s, then we don't follow this rule. We don't follow this rule if the noun word is already ending by s. What's the rule? We can make its possessive form by adding an apostrophe after it. It means we will add apostrophe after s if the noun word is already ending by s. अगर कोई भी noun word already s से end हो रहे हैं, ठीक है, हमारा रूल्स क्या है कि जब भी हमें पोजीशन शो करना होता है हम एपिस्ट्रॉफ और एस लगा देते हैं। बट अगर वो नाउन वर्ड ऑलरेडी एस से एंड हो रहा है तब हम वहाँ पे एपिस्ट्रॉफ और एस वाले रूल्स फॉलो नहीं करेंगे। हम एपिस्ट्रॉफ कब लगाएंगे? आफ्टर एस।